Hey YouTube enthusiasts, welcome back to my channel. Glad to have you. So glad you stopped by. Just a quick video on an update on the prices of things lately in the stores. Anyway, this is my favorite snack, one of my favorite snacks, Chef Boyardee Mini Raviolis. They're a really good snack, easy to make, just pop it in the microwave. And it's delicious. And it says it's good for you, too. It says no artificial flavors, no preservatives, no artificial colors, no artificial flavors, no preservatives again, and no artificial colors. It's a famous recipe. And it doesn't have too much fat or cholesterol. It has some carbs. Anyway, I like it. It's delicious snack. Easy to make, and you can find it in Walmart. That's where I got it, and your supermarket. So a couple of months ago, shopping, the last time I bought these, not too recent past. So I used to pay about 88 cents for it in Walmart. So that was, it's now June 2022. You can see the date on the video. So now it's up to $1.24. So that calculates 41% increase in the price. 41% is a lot. It's a lot. When you buy something expensive, 41% is going to be a lot. So it went from 85, 88 cents, Walmart or the neighborhood supermarket, now $1.24, 41% price increase. Anyway, don't go run into the store now to stock up on this, because then you won't leave any for me. So, but that's the state of things these days. I just wanted to give you a quick video and an update on the price of things. Inflation. Anyway, hang in there, folks. Be well. Do good. Do a good job out there. And thanks for coming by to view my video, and we'll see you again soon. And I wish everybody the best. Thanks so much. See you next time.